pop it up on the... I need like a book or something. I need like a book or something. I know what we're gonna do. Here we go. We're gonna prop this up right here like that. And then we're gonna prop this up here like this. Skirt, there we go. Hey, solutions. Hey, there we go. All right, guys, we're at Speedway, north side of town. Trying to make sure my phone don't fall over. Ooh. I'm all out of drink. It's so sad when you're drinking a Polar Pop and you're just sipping on it, and then all of a sudden it's gone. You're like, oh shit. I couldn't control myself. Real question though, like, who are the cops gonna catch just sitting there like that? And how long is their lunch break? Because it's been about an hour now. Who's let's see here, is Nathan, are you still in the live? Are you able to look back at some timestamps and find out how long ago we just got the mob squad? That's going to be, I want to say that's 4 CPD officers and one Moco sheriffs. Hey, we got 5 people in the live. Nathan Brewer. Yeah, hey, go back and look, see if you can find out how long ago I drove by through this area. I want to say these guys have just been standing here for at least 40 minutes to an hour or so. Oh, hey, they're moving. One, 2, 3, 4. What are they doing? Just all peeking on them? Window shopping? Peekers? They're moving, folks. Well, we got one guy right here. I wonder if this officer is going to pull in here and try to conduct a traffic stop on me. Nope, he's not. That was slick. All right, hey, look at them pulling off. They're actually doing something. They're either doing too much or they're not doing enough. Hey, use the turn signal. Let's see if the sheriff's deputy uses a turn signal. Sheriff's deputy didn't like Speedway. He's gonna pull into Circle K for some better snacks. It's a cop getting snacks. It's probably Caleb Berry getting snacks. Call him Big Berry. Let's see if this officer uses a turn signal.
Lafayette, 1412, 1023 IUI, high bending mileage.
Nope, you saw it there, folks. He did not utilize his turn signal. Pulling out of that lot.
1047.
Oh, you know what we're going to do?
1047 at 0230.